Hello, my name is Bagas Prita Budiawan and my friend Alvina Laila. I will explain for my ESP photography and my short article about the start a photography business and 4 steps. And step 1, purchase the right equipment. In order to set yourself up as a competitor in the photography industry, you will need the best equipment possible. A professional studio will need not just a camera, but also light, reflector, and background. Wedding photographer or nature of their subject. A top-notch camera can cost several $1,000s, while individual sketch-stop can cost up to $100. Depending on their needs use, you will also need memory card and potential external backup drive to save store image, which can easily cost about $1,000 each. Making a list of everything you need and pricing them out is important to get started. In addition to the camera, you will need to purchase a license for photo editing software. Adobe Photoshop is the most so that's what most people start with. You will also need a computer with high bandwidth and storage space because photo file can be quite large. Being able to store, edit, and process all of these photographs is important for sending them to clients. Step 2. Consider your needs. At the same time as you purchase your equipment, you will want to figure out your niche. If you're offering a full service photography studio, it's still necessary to know you're the ideal clients. If you want to take it short exclusively, you will need to set up your space and equipment in way that serve for the nice. Step 3. Conduct market research. Before you start taking on client, determine your rates and how to charge customer. If you want to charge hourly, make sure you're being compensated fairly for your time. Offering flat rates is good for customer as well. You can offer a variety of packages to clients so they will know exactly what they getting. You will know exactly what work is expected you. Photography business also set rates for when customer request additional edits. Your time is at a premium, especially with photo editing because it takes long time, and you should make it clear to customer that should respect the time and attention you devote this creative work. Step 4. Establish an online presence. Before anyone hires you, they're going to want to see example of your work. Use a portfolio website field to showcase the image that best display your skill, and make sure your contact information and price are clearly displayed. Photography is obviously a visual industry, so having a professional website is crucial to give potential clients a positive impression before you even meet. And 5W and 1H question. Who is the target market for a wedding photograph? Yet couples. What equipment to buy to start a photography? Equipment that must be purchased is camera, light, reflector, background, and Adobe Photoshop license for editing. Where can edit photo? Adobe Photoshop. Why to create a portfolio? To showcase that image the best display your skill. When can determine rates and how to build customer before you start taking on client. How to the exclusive website, you have to organize your space and equipment in way that fits the nice. Verbal and nominal sentence. She works as a wedding photograph. Verbal. She is wedding photograph. Nominal sentence. He switched off the light on the like. Verb sentence. She faced the camera. Nominal sentence. Photo was edited by photographer. Verba. No sentence. The wedding photography business. Nominal sentence. The individual lens in this range are priced per sentence. Photo as well as editing could be sold for a high price nominal sentence. Artwork that image wedding verb sentence. Tense its pattern. If you're marketing to engage couples, present continuous tenses. They are going to want to see expressions of your works, present continuous tense. If you are offering a full service photography studio, present continuous tense. They are getting and you will know exactly what word is expected of you, present continuous tense. If you're running a headshot studio, present continuous tense.
5. Active and passive construction. 1. You purchase equipment. Active, the equipment you are buying. Passive, you will need to set up your space and equipment in a way that serve. Active, space and equipment you must prepare. Passive, you can offer a variety of package to client. Active, various package you can offer to client. Passive, you will need to purchase a license for photo editing software. Active, a license for the photo editing software must be purchased. Passive, if you are marketing to engage couple. Active, if you are offering a full service photography studio. Active. List of vocabulary. Business, meaning business. Photography, meaning photography. Kamera, meaning kamera. Image, meaning gambar. Offering, meaning menawarkan. Growth, meaning pertumbuhan. Storage, meaning penyimpanan. Price, meaning harga. Background, meaning latar belakang. Light, meaning lampu. Translation into Indonesia. Cara memulai bisnis fotografi dalam 4 langkah. Langkah-langkah memulai bisnis fotografi. Langkah pertama, beri peralatan yang tepat. Untuk menjadikan diri Anda sebagai pesaing dalam industri fotografi, Anda memerlukan peralatan terbaik. Studio profesional tidak hanya membutuhkan kamera tetapi juga lampu, reflektor, dan latar belakang. Fotografi pernikahan atau fotografi alam perlu berinvestasi pada kamera dan aksesoris berkualitas sangat tinggi karena sifat subjek mereka lebih spontan. Kamera kelas atas dapat berharga beberapa ribu dolar, sementara lensa individual dapat berharga hingga $1.000, tergantung pada penggunaan ceruknya. Anda juga memerlukan kartu memori dan kemungkinan drive cadangan eksternal untuk menyimpan gambar dengan aman, yang masing-masing dapat berharga sekitar $100. Membuat daftar semua yang Anda butuhkan dan memberi harga penting untuk memulai. Selain kamera, Anda harus membeli lisensi untuk perangkat lunak pengedit foto. Adobe Photoshop adalah yang paling terkenal, jadi itulah yang dimulai oleh kebanyakan orang. Anda juga memerlukan komputer dengan bandwidth dan ruang penyimpanan yang tinggi karena file foto bisa sangat besar. Mampu menyimpan, mengedit, dan memproses semua foto inilah penting untuk dikirim ke klien. Jika Anda seorang fotografer film, Anda memerlukan seluruh peralatan lainnya termasuk akses ke kamar gelap. Sebelum menghabiskan banyak uang, teliti bahan yang Anda perlukan dan tentukan harga yang paling sesuai dengan kebutuhan Anda untuk tahap awal pertumbuhan bisnis Anda. Langkah 2, pertimbangkan niche Anda. Pada saat yang sama, saat Anda membeli peralatan, Anda pasti ingin mengetahui ceruk pasar Anda. Jika Anda menawarkan studio fotografi dengan layanan lengkap, Anda tetap perlu mengetahui siapa klien ideal Anda. Jika Anda ingin mengambil headshot secara eksklusif, Anda harus menyiapkan ruang dan peralatan dengan cara yang sesuai dengan ceruk Anda. Fotografer pernikahan berkualitas tinggi juga selalu diminati. Jika Anda memasarkan ke pasangan yang sudah bertunangan, sebaiknya hubungi merek layanan pernikahan ternama seperti Zola atau The Knot dan melamar untuk ditampilkan di daftar vendor mereka. Ikuti perusahaan yang melayani audiens yang ingin Anda tangkap. Ada banyak fotografer berbakat, tetapi Anda dapat menciptakan keunggulan dalam bisnis fotografi Anda dengan memberikan layanan yang mungkin tidak dimiliki oleh bisnis lain. Misalnya, jika Anda menjalankan studio headshot, sebaiknya bermitra dengan penata rias yang dapat memberikan sentuhan kepada klien Anda untuk menyelesaikan potret mereka. Langkah 3, lakukan riset pasar. Sebelum Anda memulai menerima klien, tentukan tarif Anda dan cara menagih pelanggan. Jika Anda ingin menagih per jam, pastikan Anda diberi kompensasi yang adil untuk waktu Anda. Menawarkan tarif tetap juga baik untuk pelanggan. Anda dapat menawarkan berbagai paket kepada klien sehingga mereka tahu persis apa yang mereka dapatkan dan Anda akan tahu persis pekerjaan apa yang diharapkan dari Anda. Bisnis fotografi juga harus menetapkan tarif saat pelanggan meminta pengeditan tambahan. Waktu Anda sangat mahal, terutama dengan pengeditan foto karena memakan waktu lama. Dan Anda harus menjelaskan kepada pelanggan bahwa mereka harus menghargai waktu dan perhatian yang Anda curahkan untuk karya kreatif ini. Langkah 4, membangun kehadiran online. Sebelum ada yang mempekerjakan Anda, mereka ingin melihat contoh pekerjaan Anda. Gunakan pembuat situs web portfolio untuk menampilkan gambar yang paling menunjukkan keahlian Anda dan pastikan informasi kontak dan harga Anda dapat ditampilkan dengan jelas. Fotografi merupakan industri visual, jadi memiliki situs web profesional sangat penting untuk memberikan kesan positif kepada calon klien bahkan sebelum Anda bertemu. 8. Reason why writer use tenses. The author used the present continuous tense to describe an action or situation that is happening now and will continue to happen until an unknown time in the future.